Little dent here, that shouldn't matter. And it's a little dent along this side door right here. Actually, let me take it off right now. So I don't even want them to see this. I'm gonna put it back on, but I had to glue the glass because I ordered the glass from eBay and it was just the glass. It wasn't the other parts. So I'm like, what the hell? So I'm like, man, I got to go inspection tomorrow. So I'm gonna just glue the glass right there. So, all right, guys, it's our turn. Y'all wish me luck. Ladies and gentlemen, we actually failed. I failed salvage inspection. Oh my God. We Hustle Daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Bright early in the morning. And we are going to get our Honda Accord inspected. I went and got it from Mom's house yesterday. And because I wanted to go ahead and get it inspected today. Y'all know this was an easy fix. Just changed the driver's fender, same color we found. So that's what I'm on my way to do today. It's bright early in the morning. And I want to be the first person there, so that's why I'm coming so early. You see the sun has not even came up yet, but it's looking like it's starting to want to come up. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate and love y'all. And don't forget, wehustledaily.com. I got Copart and IAA accounts for just $600. Get your own Copart and IAA login. I also have the plug on the dealer auctions where you can pay a one-time fee of $3,000 and you can have access to all the dealer auctions. All right, as well as Copart and IA. All right, so that comes with a dealer plate and everything. So, and also the one without the dealer plate is $2,150 every single year. So it's $3,000 a year, $2,150 every single year. That's an annual fee, one-time fee. You don't got to pay nothing after that. You know what I mean? You just pay the $3,000 one time for the year, and that lasts you a year. Or you can pay the $2,150 for a year, and that lasts you for a year. One is with the dealer plate, one is out without the dealer plate, and of course the $2,150 is the one without the dealer plate. And if you want more information, all you gotta do is click the link in the description below, wehustledaily.com. I got the videos explaining everything for y'all. So like I say, I'm on my way to the salvage inspection, and I got everything I need. Got my pictures and stuff yesterday. I didn't even think to vlog that. I need to start vlogging more. But I'm not gonna lie, I've been on my second channel. Make sure y'all subscribe to We Still Hustle Daily. I dish out a lot of content over there. So I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. See you guys when I get to the All right, Hustle Nation, I'm happy to announce for those of you who are ready to start flipping cars, I can get you auction access within 24 to 48 hours. If you're ready to stop sitting on the sideline and you're ready to start flipping cars, head on over to whdacademy.com and pick the Platinum package. And for as low as $600, a one-time fee, you guys can have auction access to Copart and the insurance auto auction as a dealer representative under someone else's license. This allows you to go to any Copart or any insurance auto auction in the United States, and essentially you can start flipping cars within 24 to 48 hours. Don't worry, for those of you who want to attend dealer auctions like Mannheim and Odessa, dealer only auctions, I have something for you guys too. I can get you access to those auctions within 24 to 48 hours as well. Remember, the good thing about this service is that you're not putting the cars in your name when you resell them, meaning you can sell the cars under someone else's license without having to register them. For those of you who are not ready to start flipping cars and you just want to learn about the business, I also have a silver package and a bronze package available for you guys, while I teach you everything you need to know about this auction business. If this sounds like something you're interested in, head on over to whdacademy.com. All right, y'all, we done made it here. I'll show y'all the whip real quick. It's still, well, as y'all can see, the sun is about to come up now. Turn this heat on real quick. Yeah. So, bright early in the morning. Let me wipe my screen off so y'all can make sure y'all can see. Like I said, it's dark out here, but that's what we rocking with, man. That's what we rocking with. Gonna get this done quick, fast, and easy. Little dent here, that shouldn't matter. And it's a little dent along this side door right here. Y'all remember? See that little line right there? But none of that really, that don't matter. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get this thing today. Oh, this. So this is only on here because I didn't want the mirror to fall off. Actually, let me take it off right now. I don't even want them to see this. I'm gonna put it back on, but I had to glue the glass because I ordered the glass from eBay and it was just the glass. It wasn't the other parts. So I'm like, what the hell? So I'm like, man, I got to go inspection tomorrow. So I'm gonna just glue the glass right there. So that's what I did. And I put the rubber bands right there because I didn't want it to, you know, fall while I was driving, you know. So that's why I did that. But other than that, that's it, man. We're about to go in and get this thing inspected, man. And I'm fresh again today. All right. Yes, I am. But anyways, I'll see you guys when I get here. This should be an easy pass, man. Literally just a fender. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully everything good. Everything is good. And no lights on the dash or anything. We sitting at 196. So we got 196 on the miles. Still been waiting to sell the Hyundai. Shit going slow, man. Oh man, kind of slow right now. I know, Christmas time. But man, ooh, I'm tired, boy. That's another thing. I ain't been getting all my sleep. But anyway, man, I gotta keep up with the content on this channel, y'all. I gotta keep up with the content on this channel. So I'm doing the best I can. I'm managing 2 channels right now. I'm posting on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. I'm posting on all platforms. I'm answering DMs. So if y'all got any questions, hit me up in the DMs. You know what I'm saying? On Instagram, I'm answering all DMs. Cause I know some of y'all be having questions about the auction access. You know what I'm saying? I'm signing a lot of people up from auction access. I'm signing a lot of people up for Copart and IAA, man. I'm doing a whole lot right now. Your boy been busy, boy. Let me just tell y'all. So, you know, it's just a lot of work, but I'm still managing it. I can still manage it. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm keeping up with it, though. You know what I mean? I'm posting. I'm doing a whole lot of stuff, y'all. As a matter of fact, we're going to go ahead and post something today right now on Instagram since I'm right here. I think they open up at 8. I'm here at 7:12 right now. I think they opened up at 8 because, ain't nobody here, but I want to be here. Somebody actually did get here before me. As you can see, somebody in a Charger. So they got here before the kid, but it's all good. But yeah, man, I couldn't believe eBay just sent me the glass. It came in this. It was just the glass. Literally, it's just glass on one side and glass on the other side. So I'm like, dang. On the other one, it has like a little thing where you clip, but I don't know. So what I did was my mom brought out some glue because I had to come get this from my mom's house. She brought out some glue. I glued the other side of the glass and I just smacked it on there, bro. I'm like, man, I gotta goddamn get this joint inspected tomorrow, you know? And I didn't know if they was gonna fail me because of the glass. So I just put the rubber bands right there because I was like, okay, if this glue that my mom gave me don't work, it'll fall on the rubber bands and it won't, you know, fall on the ground and potentially fall down and bust people's tires and all that. So I gotta put that back on there. But all right, y'all, I'm gonna see y'all when they come. I think I got an hour to sit out here, but yep.
Hustle Nation, if you need a broker in order to buy a car off Copart or IAA and you do not have your dealer license, you can use eRepairables. You can sign up and buy cars for as low as $25, which is actually cheaper than making your own account at Copart or the insurance auto auction yourself. Or you can just pay $200 for the whole year and have an all-access bidding pass at these 2 auctions. And as you can see, they are in most states. Click the link in the description if you're interested.
Well, it looks like I wasn't the first one here. I was the 3rd. Yeah, thought I was the first. I mean, second. That was second. My bad. We got a car right there. That wasn't here, definitely. I need some floor mats. I think I got some in the, what you call that? The truck. I got some floor mats somewhere at my own house something. Get this heat busting. Like I said, I'm gonna be 3rd one, so I gotta chill out here. So if y'all don't know, it's $100 to get your car inspected. Well, here in this state, it's $100 to get your car inspected. Real simple process. The only thing you gotta do is go online, get all the paperwork. Well, to get the inspection, the only thing you gotta do is have the car, have the parts put on the car, have the receipts for the parts that you put on the car, and yeah, that's it, at $100. And of course the title. So real simple process. Mine was easy. You don't want to paint the parts on your car. So let's just say I bought a new aftermarket part. I still would need the receipt for the new part, or it could be aftermarket, or just let's just say a new part. So if I bought a new part offline or somewhere, let's say I bought a new fender, then I would just need that receipt for that fender, and you know, and that's it. But not painted, so the fender can't be painted. That's why y'all see me doing all type of crazy stuff to find the same color, because well, I do that because I can avoid going to Rich and paying Rich for paint. So like, I was going to drive 3 hours to go get that fender, but I didn't have to. I found it up the street, remember? Well, it wasn't up the street, but it's like an hour away, 45 minutes away, which is perfect, you know what I'm saying? Which is cool. I could do that all day, every day. But I was going to drive the 3 hours to go get that same color fender, I'm not going to lie, but it just so happened I was lucky and found it, you know, the next day. Because I had called them, they were like, oh, just, you know, send a deposit. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna call you back. No, I found it the same day. I was like, oh, I'm gonna call you back. I'm gonna just double check, make sure I can't find it. And then I ended up finding it. It's the same color. So if you got the same color parts, then you good. But if that was a brand new part, I can't have it painted before inspection. You gotta paint it after inspection. So yeah, that's why y'all see me doing all this stuff. So I be trying to find the same color part. Avoid going to Rich, and because Rich charge me more with the part on the car. So you know, so if this off the car, he says easier to paint. So sure, I be trying to get my same color. Then they got a Ford Lightning coming out. That joint nice. So if you crank that up, I'm gonna show y'all this. I gotta see if you gonna crank it up. Oh, you gonna crank it up? I'm about to sound like a beast. Oh, never mind. You might not crank it up. All right, guys, it's our turn. Y'all wish me luck. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we actually failed. I failed salvage inspection. Oh my God. Now let me show you what I failed. We failed because, as you can see up under here, wait, can you? Control arm is bent. I probably can do that myself. And then control arm. So basically we need two control arms and it'll pass. So I'm gonna get that done. I might do it myself actually. Could be, well, y'all know my wrist, but that shouldn't be too hard. So we're gonna go ahead and order the parts. I'm probably gonna go get the parts today. Lower control arm. That's only one, right? And make sure. Yeah. So mechanic ain't gonna charge that much to get that done. So we gotta go do that, and then I'm gonna have them fix it. So that's what we're gonna do. Or I might fix it myself. I'll see. But I need to get the parts first, so that's what we're gonna go.
What's going on, Hustle Nation? Just want to tell you guys about this Auto A-Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below.
All right, guys, so easy fix, man. I just ordered them offline on Amazon for $40, both of them as a set. I was gonna go to a regular parts place and get them, but don't nobody got them available. Well, the parts place that I usually go to so I can get the discount, they're not available, so that's cool. I'm gonna just order them offline. Well, I already ordered them as I was driving, so I ordered them offline. So we're gonna wait for them to come in. Today is a Friday, they come in Sunday. So Sunday, we're gonna get to work. I'm gonna put them on myself, and that's what we're gonna do. So I just gotta wait for them to come in, and then I'm gonna go and slap them things on Sunday, get the car inspected Tuesday, and we're gonna go ahead and pass. So I'm going back to my mom's house to put this car back where it was, and because I'm gonna just do all the work at my mom's house house most likely. Most likely, right? Or should I just keep the car with me? We'll see, but I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. We failed in salvage inspection today, but it's all good. Something that I didn't see. He said he think it came from the forklifts, but maybe it probably did come from the forklifts. Maybe, yeah. So he said he see that all the time. But I appreciate y'all. Love y'all for y'all support. Make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com if you want auction access. I actually got to get home and sign a couple of y'all up. So tap in with me, wehustledaily.com. Get auction access, fastest, easy way to get your license or to get up under someone else's license. I'll catch y'all on the next one. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray, man. I'm out. Peace.